This tool enables you to focus on the tasks that truly impact on patient care while ensuring your practice remains compliant. The dashboard displays which team members are falling behind on highly recommended and recommended subjects. It will also highlight any team members that are required to complete an annual statement prior to a GDC deadline. Personal development plans will be flagged if actions have not been completed within the required timeframe. View a team member's ECPD tracker to gain insight on their overall progress. Access personal development plans to understand learning needs and provide better support when required. Gain instant access to vital training certificates to satisfy inspections. Assign a single course to a team member or assign a category of courses to a group of team members in just 3 steps. The team member will receive an email notification detailing the date this is due to be completed by.